Hey guys, it's Faye and this is Day with Faye. Today I'm going to be reviewing and doing some lip swatches on fair skin in the shades Jordy, which is a velvet, Victoria, and All Nighter, which are mattes. I do have red velvet, but I've already done that in a previous velvet swatch video, which is linked down below, along with other Kylie cosmetic videos that are similar. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys enjoy, and I would love for you to subscribe. I post videos every Wednesday and Friday. Timestamps are in the description below if there's a specific shade you want to look at, if you want to look at certain swatch comparisons, I got you guys. First up, we have All Nighter, which is a bright red coral. Sorry, I wanted to change the lighting a little bit. It was a little too bright on my end, so I changed the settings on my camera a little bit. Alright, I am super pleasantly surprised as to how much I love this. Usually I'm really scared with bright, vibrant colors because I don't know, it's either hit or miss with really fair skin. And honestly, I'm living for this. I think this is really cute. I can't wait to see how it looks like compared to Boss, which I will be showing you soon. And yeah, I definitely think this is a beautiful, beautiful color. I'm obsessed with reds, I'm obsessed with pinks. I think they go with almost every single outfit and really just add a pop of color. So yeah. All right, next up we have Jordy, which is a raspberry red. Now, Jordy is the only velvet out of the three that I'm doing today. The other two are mattes. And basically the difference between mattes and velvets, at least for me, mattes are more drying than velvets. Velvets are more moisturizing, but mattes are 100% kiss proof if you do everything right. And velvets are hit or miss, you know what I'm saying? Velvets are so moisturizing, it's kind of insane. It feels so good. I don't know. I think the velvet formula is really amazing. I wish that it was 100% kiss proof. I'm really excited. I think that this is a really cute summery color, honestly all year long color. I think that this is really sweet and feminine and very girly, and it goes with my outfit. So yeah, I think that this is a really beautiful color. I know that this one is brand new, whereas All Nighter was part of the birthday collection, so this one is an all new shade. Let me see how kiss proof it is. I know that they're not. Yeah, see. On to the next. The last color I have is Victoria, which is a deep cherry red. You guys, this is a new matte because All Nighter, again, like I said before, is from the birthday collection. But when I put this on, I was like, yo, this feels super moisturizing, and now it's like drying matte. That is crazy to me. I've never put on a matte and think, wait a second, did I just put on a velvet? Because that was the first time that's ever happened. Anyways, I love this color. I think this color, again, is beautiful. It does seem kind of similar to Jordy. I would say that Jordy's more raspberry and Victoria is more, I don't know, like darker. But I think this is a perfect red. I love reds again. I think they're very cute, and I'm very, very, very happy. And I can't wait to do the swatch comparisons. I'm gonna do that for you guys right now. All right guys, well I know that it was really requested to compare All Nighter to Boss. Now I will say All Nighter has more of a corally vibe versus Boss, which is more muted, and All Nighter is more vibrant than Boss. Sorry for the kind of sloppy swatch of Boss, but these three are All Nighter, Boss, and Jordy. Okay, so right off the bat, Jordy and Victoria are very similar in terms of shade. I would say Victoria has more of a cherry undertone and is more kind of like darkened than Jordy, but I would say that they're very similar. Obviously, their formulas are different. Jordy, which is on the top, is velvet, and Victoria is a matte. I was also browsing Kylie Cosmetics' Instagram page to see if anybody wanted to see swatch comparisons for Jordy and Victoria, and someone said that Autumn might be similar to either Jordy or Victoria. Now, I definitely don't think Autumn is that similar. It has more of like a pinky nude vibe to it versus Jordy and Victoria, which have more of a red undertone. And then someone said, oh, look at Kristen versus Jordy and Victoria. They're all very, very similar. Victoria has more of a cherry, and it's not as similar to Kristen as Jordy is. Jordy seems identical, in my opinion. I feel like maybe there's some slight variations. Let me just like twist it around. Definitely seems like Kristen and Jordy are very similar. I feel like if there's any differences, they're pretty slight. I think that maybe Jordy has more raspberry in it than Kristen does, but they do appear to be pretty similar in my opinion. Thanks so much guys for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. It really means a lot to me. If this was informational for you, please give me a thumbs up. It really means a lot to me. And what do you guys think? Do you have a favorite shade? Is there one that you prefer over the three? Are there shades that you wish to see more from Kylie Cosmetics? Comment down below, let me know. I would love to hear your thoughts. Bye guys, I hope you have a really good rest of your day.